Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to be talking about different dance styles and how they can improve your life. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to other websites, including one to Amazon.com, that lists all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets series of books. Dancing is a way to celebrate, whether it's a birth, a death, a religious observation, or folklore. Dances are a way to celebrate life and express your feelings. Perhaps even more than learning the Spanish language, learning to dance will open up countless opportunities. There are many folklore dances, but for your average expat, it's best to learn the most popular social dances first. Vying for the number 1 and 2 slots in popularity are the Salsa and Cumbia. I'm starting with Cumbia as it's the most forgiving dance, meaning easier to find the cadence, and doesn't require staying in a line. With the happiest music. Following a quick, slow rhythm, Cumbia plays at every party and is the life of the party. Do yourself a favor and spend some time listening to Los Angeles Azules, a wildly popular cumbia band featuring a rotating roster of singers, each with a complete orchestra. You'll hear that music again at your next party. Salsa here is very popular also, but a bit harder to learn with its quick, slow beat and how to keep yourself and your partner in a straight line. Probably what I'm best at now, and it's much fun if you can keep pace with its inherent speed. Danzón is a style of dance that resurged at the end of the last century among Mexican seniors. Inherently romantic, as a man introduces her 3 times throughout the song, asking her to dance from slow, close passes to flamboyant twirls. Also, it's easy for you to spot as she carries a fan for added grace. Danzón is a great style to age into, training you to listen closely to the music. Plus, the town is filled with dance-on classes and groups. The cha-cha-cha, also called cha-cha, has the basic movement of stepping forwards and backwards or side to side, adding a quick set of 3 steps. This gives the dance its name, since many dancers count out these steps as cha-cha-cha. Normally, pop songs in English are perfect to perform a cha-cha-cha to. Tango is a dance of seduction, relying on stylized, centralized moves, staccato footsteps, flexed knees, and highly focused connection between partners. It's probably my least favorite style only because I don't like the music. Like jazz, tango music is non-linear, and I enjoy the sequencing of both instruments and lyrics in a song to tell a love story. For men, to be a good dance partner, a lady needs to view you the way I used to view rides at Hershey Park as a kid. Namely, something you want to ride for the twists, turns, sudden fear, and laughter. Men dancing are the roller coaster providing the thrills, but are not the center of attention. Women are, and a lad's job is to make her shine. That means it takes for a man far longer to learn any of these dance styles, as he needs to know his moves, while simultaneously leading her in his reverse direction. It's work that is rapidly rewarded with party invites because if you always focus on making her have fun, no matter her age or talent level, you'll be the most demand ride in the park. As always, feel free to click subscribe now and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.